Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the microphone volume on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes I feel like my microphone is too weak and I need to increase the volume. And if you have the same problem guys, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your microphone volume. And first thing first, you need to go to the user settings on Discord, and then you just need to go to the voice and video setting, and then you will see the microphone setting, and you can choose your microphone, and I'm going to choose this one. And if you want to increase the volume, just go to the right side. Use this button to increase your volume. And you can also test your microphone. If you have microphone issue, you can start the test and say something. Let's check it. Can we? Hi. Okay. Oh. Okay guys, and that's how you can fix the microphone too weak problem on Discord by increasing the microphone volume. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.